Just to give you a little bit of a story why we are here today, we want to move people forward. We want to make people better, faster, and stronger in everything they do. And we create something which was to give the opportunity to people like you to meet some mentors, to go out of the normal path and just do it yourself. It's not an easy decision, but it's so exciting, I think, to be part of the journey.
It's a wide range of startups. We've got some very early stage ideas. Some are really advanced in what they are developed or what they have developed already, and that makes it kind of interesting. Also kind of difficult to judge because, of course, it's a different basis. But idea-wise, I'm happy that it's all about mobility. I'm mentoring the RCAP guys. And they are doing a solution which helps people to travel from A to B with a public transportation, so to speak, but differently.
I was working with Caravan. It's a group of two extremely bright guys. They're building a platform so that the bus companies, which are not digital at all, can take their platform, and the end users have an easier way to get to work. It's brilliant.
If we give this application, the number of road accidents would be much lesser in some way.
We found the problem of parking and we're trying to solve that problem in this competition.
The 5 guys and girls we identified are Zuf, Gate Plus, RCAP, Ivera, Carwise. Congratulations.
I'm so happy today to be with you guys because it has been a long journey. We have the best 5 of the 65 applications we got. I just ask you to support a lot all the guys who are coming on stage. They deserve it.
The fact that we had 60 applications right from the beginning, they went through the most toughest mentoring, filtering. In the end, we had 5 groups and any one of them could have won.
I was really, I would say, impressed by the level of people presenting and how those youth people and like a new generation trying to make our life better and by having new smart mobility solutions. And like I said, I'm always thinking that those people still, some of them are really mature, some still are new ideas, but at the end they have a really good intention trying to make our society and make an integrated mobility concept. It's amazing, I would say.
The winner will be or is RCAP.
Oh, we're so excited. It was an amazing journey that we had for the past week. So we've been preparing for it and pitching in front of the people, in front of the judges, getting feedback. It was really exciting. Woo!